36 years old. I don't know what to do. Well, no, jangan salah faham. Bukannya aku masukkan tak tahu nak buat apa dengan hidup aku. I know. Alhamdulillah, ada rezeki, dah kahwin, dah ada kerja kan, stable, Alhamdulillah. Well, it's just that in terms of content creation punya side, I'm still lost. But you know apa yang aku paling tak sangka is that I might have anxiety. No, bukan anxiety masa aku yang sangat teruk lah. I'm saying that anxiety in terms of nak start creating content again, like betul-betul. I've been doing a lot of affiliate products punya videos and it's honestly very tiring. It's draining creatively sebab, well, because of affiliate products kan, bila kau letak beg kuning, dia punya reach tu is something different. It's on a different path, different line, different highway. Wow, okay, tadi belakang tadi aku baru nampak ada lightning. Nak hujan. Yeah, maksud aku is anxiety because aku pernah rasa the tippity top, you know what I mean, is aku pernah rasa success in a kira financial way. Of course, aku neglect financials, aku neglect agama aku dapat pengalaman struggle tu betul-betul. Aku struggle untuk sampai ke tahap yang aku sangat selesa masa tu. I was pulling six figures in a month. I was very comfortable masa tu. Alhamdulillah. And then aku pun jatuh. Alhamdulillah juga for their experience. So what I mean by anxiety is, adakah I feel this rasa berat tau every time aku rasa nak buat selain daripada affiliate videos. Aku rasa berat selain aku nak curahkan apa-apa creativity idea yang aku nak buat kan. It's not like something like crazy aku nak buat movie ke apa benda tau. It's just a video like what you're seeing right now. But there's this like heavy weight tau bila aku nak buat. Because on one hand, right, you gotta survive. So affiliate videos make money compared to macam normal YouTube videos aku, which takes a long time and aku still nak kena proof of tax residency apparently. Aku tak buat lagi. And then the creativity side is basically long format meaningful videos yang lagi detail, lagi slow pace, lagi relax, lagi chill, you know, not the fast pace macam TikTok affiliate videos yang aku selalu buat kan. So am I gonna come up with a solution in this one video yang aku nak buat ni? No, it's not. Like aku tak akan find a solution like just like that, you know. But obviously, I have to start somewhere. So this is my first video in a while, in a long format. I hope this goes well. No, actually, it doesn't matter. Aku just nak buat video. It doesn't matter kalau banyak views ke tidak. So dah lama aku tak vlog kan. Aku rasa malu gila nak pegang kamera. Even though it's a phone kan. Aku segan nak pegang tripod. So like, segan fit check wifi belikan baju ni. Tank top baru ni, and I think it looks good actually. Alhamdulillah, thank you so much sayang, I love you. Currently berat badan aku 87 kg, and actually I'm supposed to be doing back today. It's just that ramai orang kat bawah tadi. So aku still decide untuk letak a little bit of warm up dulu. I'm kind of a problem solver. Like immediately ya kalau aku nak. Macam aku cakap, aku segan nak shoot dekat bahagian bawah ni kan. Well, let's just do it. So remember last time aku dah lama tak vlog and aku dah lama tak workout, and aku baru start balik this year, baru nak masuk 3 bulan. I have a problem dengan pull-ups. So I'm pushing quite hard untuk aku punya pull-up punya session. Last week, aku dengan wife aku spot aku dapat pakai resistance band. Aku dapat naik like 2-3 pull-ups. And I'm currently 86 kg. So last few weeks aku punya record 60. Now I am starting at 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of that has to do with muscle activation. So like I said, it's been a while, and baru angkat 60 on the first set. Okay. Tapi one thing yang best buat back punya workout ni is that banyak benda korang boleh buat dengan satu machine je. So this machine right here, right? Aku bukannya like professional, aku tahu apa benda, I kind of feel as I go. So dia tarik ke bawah, and I think that's gonna contribute to my pull-ups. Definitely makin kuat sebab aku letak 20 kilo ni, and it feels like. So I'm gonna put another 10 je lagi. Ni rambut dah angkat, dahi makin nampak luas, dah makin tak kisah lantak. 1. Still manageable. 3. 4. Okay. 5. 6. 7. 8. Oh, okay. Okay. Rasa. Nice. 35 kilo. Okay, rasa berat pula. Bismillah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. Oh. 4. Ah. I don't know. I don't have a solution. Like, it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work that way. Tiba-tiba je aku ada solution in one video. But basically, this is my first attempt. And aku harap korang enjoy ya tadi kan. Even though there's no solution in the end. Terima kasih kerana menonton rancangan yang tak apa-apa di TV3. InsyaAllah aku akan terus usahakan dua-dua side actually. The short form and the long form yang aku suka. Aku actually lagi suka this kind of format, you know, obviously. But aku ni sebenarnya kuat bebel. And no, dia bukannya fix untuk semua jenis orang yang ada similar masalah. Walaupun dia similar tapi it's not the same kind of fix untuk semua jenis orang. Tapi kalau korang ada masalah macam aku, boleh try juga. Mana tahu it helps. Just a little PSA kan. My problem is not huge. It's not earth-shattering, not world-shattering, not the end of the world. It's still valid. Just that it's not like besar. It's like okay.